Today I have a delicious healthy breakfast recipe for you. This is instant Rava Uttapam and it is made of lots of spinach and topped with cheese. This recipe is addictive, guys. My kids and I can't stop eating this. I hope you guys try it. Let's make this together. In a bowl, we are going to take 1 cup of rava or semolina, into which we are going to add half a cup of water and half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt. Also goes in 1 whole cup of chopped spinach leaves along with a tiny sprinkle of salt. We are going to add more salty ingredients later, so don't add too much. That little bit of salt is going to help spinach leaves release their water. Give that a mix and we are going to cover and let that rest for 15 minutes. The batter would have softened a little bit by now, and at this point we are going to add in a little more water to get it to that idli batter kind of consistency. Add water little by little. We don't want to make it too thin. For me, it took another half a cup of water to get to the right consistency. This is how it should look. Okay, now we are going to add a splash of soy sauce. This gives a very nice taste, plus some black pepper powder to taste and some garlic powder to taste. You can also add crushed garlic if you don't have garlic powder. Mix everything well and get your cast iron pan or a non-stick pan ready. Smear some butter. Butter tastes delicious with this recipe. And we are going to add about 3 tablespoons of the batter. This should give us a 5-inch uttapam in diameter, and this recipe should give you about 4 5-inch uttapams. Let this fry till it turns golden brown on both sides. It should take about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Yeah, that is good enough. You can make it crisper if you like. I like it slightly crisp outside and soft inside. It's up to you. And now we are going to turn off the heat, top it with some cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese, and that yumminess is for me to snack on. And I'm going to add some red chili flakes. Cover it for about 1 minute so the cheese melts a little, because we like the cheese to be melted, right? And our spinach cheese uttapam is ready, guys. You can enjoy it as it is or with any sauce of your choice.